Okay, right now we are going to work on fractions greater than 1, and I'm going to be going through and modeling a couple of different strategies that you can do to find these fractions greater than 1 into a mixed number. The first fraction, the fraction we're going to be working with is 12/5. 12 is our numerator, 5 is our denominator. That means we have 12 pieces out of the 5 that will make a set. The first model we're going to do is we're going to use actual materials. And so we have 12 blocks. And that's what my numerator tells me. So if I have those 12, I need to make them into sets of 5. So then I am going to make them into sets of 5s. I know this because the denominator tells me there's a 5 in the denominator. That tells me that's how many to make a set, or that's how many makes a whole. So then I can make one whole. I still have some left, so I'm going to continue to make another. And I will continue to make another whole until I don't have any pieces to make a whole. So I made 2 wholes, and I have 2 remaining. So right now I have shown that I can do 12/5 can equal to 2 wholes and 2 out of 5 were remaining, and that creates my new mixed number. Another way to simplify this is to use a picture. And I am going to be showing you 2 pictures to do that. I'm going to be drawing 12 dots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. And remember, the denominator tells me that that makes a set of 5. So I'm going to be grouping them in sets of 5. So I'm going to circle them. That's one set. Or 5. That's another set. And I have 2 remaining. So I now have shown I have 2 wholes and 2 out of those 5 remaining. So my mixed number now is 2/5. There's another way to do this, and you can draw it. And I'm going to now switch to notebook paper because I like to use those lines with the notebook paper. Again, we're still working with that same fraction. Remember, that denominator tells us that it takes 5 to make a set. So I'm going to use 5 of the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/5. I have 12, so I still have remaining ones. So I will draw another set.
And they're drawing this with you. Or they're watching at this point.
I have another set of 5, and I have 2 remaining, so I will draw another whole. I am going to go back and shade in what I have. Remember that 5/5 equals 1 whole. It's a funny 1, so that's going to just become a 1. I have another 1 and 2/5 remaining. And so this equals to 2 and 2/5. These are some of the ways that you can solve fractions greater than 1 when you simplify them back into mixed numbers.